YouTubers? Mike Martin's here, Mike Martin's channel. Man, there's so much in the housing that's happening. I've been covering the housing now, I think 6 years now. A lot of my videos were taken down, eh? I have so many videos from, I started talking about the housing down back in 2012, 13, yeah, 2012, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and now 18. And a lot of, I looked, it's all deleted videos. It's gone. I went back, I wanted to do some way back playbacks with Mike Martin's type of thing and kind of like stream it all night. A lot of my old stuff, man, is gone. Like a lot of the good videos I made back in the day when I was very, very vocal and stuff was just deleted. I'm very heartbroken. The oldest videos now I have is like 2016. It's like, no, what about all the stuff I talked about? And like, it's all gone. Anyways, guys, that was kind of a heartbreaking moment for me. But anyways, what's happening in Vancouver? Proposal for luxury condo tower in Vancouver pulled amid signs of weak demand. Wait a minute. What is this crap they've been feeding us all these years? Supply versus demand. There's not enough supply there to feed the demand. Why are they pulling this deal out? I think it's just delusional, Mike. I think I was very delusional in reading that. I think that never even happened. There was never a demand issue, ever. In Australia, New Zealand, in Canada, they've never fed us the demand issue. Yeah, I think affordability is becoming a massive problem, and when the middle class starts to exodus, you start seeing problems like this. A proposal for the downtown Vancouver luxury condo tower that was scheduled to go to public hearing next week has been abruptly canceled by the owner. It's a sign that some sees a shift in Vancouver's hot real estate market and demand for high-end property has weakened. Construction costs are skyrocketing, and city officials are demanding ever higher community amenity contributions and fee intended to pay for improvements of the neighborhoods and services. A representative of the developer Brilliance Circle Group sent a letter to the planning department that a week withdrawing the project. The letter obtained by the Globe and Mail explained by the decision is due to the impact of rapidly changing real estate market, which affects both the unit mix and the CAC evaluation. The developer and the architect for the project declined to comment. The project is not dead, but the company is going to reevaluate the design and resize units for the triangular piece of land on Georgia Pender Streets that was bought for $16 million. That was bought for $16 million 5 years ago. It is now assessed at $30 million. You know what? I just cut my losses and sell it for $30 million right now. Just walk away. That's what I would do. That's just me, right? But, you know, this is a good article because it's getting in depth with changes in the pattern of buying habits of of more speculated foreign investors. Because of the capital decline in outflows of China's money not leaving as much as it used to, and casinos getting targeted for money laundering. So what's happening here is the luxury market may not be the market class 2 target right now with the mass exodus of middle class people leaving Vancouver. So, and yes, when you do put up a tower like that, the city demands all kinds of stuff. So I don't mind. I think the builder is walking away or declining this offer only because the city might ask for a roundabout somewhere in there that's going to cost him $20 million to do a roundabout somewhere because it's the city planners need a roundabout there in front of the building or something to save time, whatever they're asking for, you know? So, but realtors and real estate analysts say it's not surprising to see luxury projects stalled given the current conditions. Everything's corrected and the luxury markets is gone, said Ian Wolf, realtor who specializes in higher-end housing. Anything under $2 million will sell, but the last 2 months there's been only one sale over $3.5 million. So this goes into that. Let's go here. He is also marketing the landmark Ron Oberson Tower of the company Asia Standard, which has 240 market condos planned for the site. That is the highest priced development on the market, and the apartments selling for $2,000 to $5,000 per square foot, depending on placement. That's huge. Just less then 50% have been sold since the market started in February. Since the market started in February. Okay, so this is what's happening, guys. Let's see some final words here. Developers are taking a back to the CACs, city's demand, he said, which seem to go up with each project. Recently, developers have reported that city negotiators are asking $300 to $400 a square foot. So that's something we don't know about. So $300 to $400 a square foot, the city wants that in repeal. We need a stoplight here, we need this, we need that. So because the middle class isn't being taxed as much anymore because they're all leaving, and there's not a lot of middle class good jobs out there anymore because they've all left. And what's happened is it creates a brain drain, but not only that, is they're going to start going to now the builders and say, oh, we want a piece of your pie now. So what is happening in Vancouver as prices are declining in most sectors? I mean, Vancouver's biggest attribute to the benchmark housing price and condo price and all that was the luxury market, which is now looking like it's diminishing. So when one place sells for over 3.5 million, it's not surprising. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'd like to know what is happening in Vancouver. There's a huge gentrification in some parts of the downtown, and what it's happening is you're seeing these multi-million-dollar units go up, and you start seeing the cities become abandoned and less people walking the streets. I did a video in Vancouver a few 6, 7, 8 weeks ago, driving through the downtown area where all on Granville and all the exciting places where everything is happening, and there's nobody around. Everybody is just a couple of tourists, but everybody just doesn't have the middle class. The middle class doesn't have the funds anymore to go out and spend money like they used to. And that's, you know, taking a hit on restaurants, and people's pocketbooks aren't as deep as they used to be. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. What is happening with the luxury market in Vancouver? Thanks for watching.